Something really interesting just popped up in the XRP data that hasn't happened in months. The AI models are showing a 98% probability for a major move up, and I mean major. Let's break it down. Alright, so here's where we are right now with XRP. The price is sitting at $1.0858, and you know what? It's actually up 1.63% today, which is, well, it's a nice little bounce. Now, I've been watching this chart, and XRP just bounced off what we call the Bollinger Band lower boundary, around $1.0583. Here's the thing though, we're still below those major moving averages, so we're definitely in recovery mode rather than full bull territory. Now this is where it gets interesting from a technical standpoint. The RSI is at 43.54, which means we're in that sweet neutral zone. Not oversold anymore, but still plenty of room to run up. The MACD is still negative at minus 0.0091. But here's what caught my eye. The histogram is showing convergence. In plain English, the momentum might be shifting. The current price is sitting right between that lower Bollinger Band and the middle line, which historically has been a pretty good bounce zone. You know what I've noticed about the macro environment? XRP has this strong negative correlation with the dollar index at minus 84%. So when the dollar weakens, XRP tends to do well. Same thing with traditional markets. When the S&P and NASDAQ go down, crypto money tends to flow our way. It's like people are looking for alternatives, you know? On the regulatory front, well, it's been pretty quiet lately, which honestly isn't bad news. But I did notice something concerning with the ETF flows. We're seeing $15.4 million in net outflows across XRP ETFs. The institutions seem a bit cautious right now, which could be creating this opportunity for retail investors like us. Here's where things get really interesting though. The Fear and Greed Index is at 28. That's extreme fear territory. Now I know that sounds scary, but you know what I've learned over the years? When everyone's terrified, that's often when the best opportunities show up. It's like my grandmother used to say about shopping. The best deals come when nobody else wants to buy. The whale activity is, wow, it's pretty intense right now. Out of about 700 transactions, 643 were from whales. But get this, they represent 99.99% of the total volume. That's over 6 trillion XRP moving around. The big players are definitely making moves. And when whales start repositioning like this, it usually means something's brewing. So if we're looking at Elliott Wave theory, and I'll keep this simple, we're probably in what's called a C wave correction. The Wyckoff analysis suggests we're in accumulation phase B, which basically means smart money is quietly building positions while everyone else is worried. Think of it like the calm before the storm, but in a good way. Okay, so here's what the AI is telling us, and honestly, these numbers made me do a double take. Short term, 1 day out, it's predicting $1.2174 with a 64.8% probability. That's a 12% jump. But here's the kicker. The 7-day prediction shows $1.6061 with a 98.1% upside probability. That's a 47.9% surge. And the 30-day target? $1.6558 with 78.8% confidence. I mean, when was the last time we saw AI confidence levels this high? But here's what could go wrong, because we need to be realistic. XRP is still super correlated with Bitcoin at 96.68%, so if Bitcoin crashes, we're probably going down too. Those ETF outflows I mentioned, that's reducing liquidity. And with extreme fear in the market, we could see more panic selling before things turn around. So here's my take on all this data. I'm recommending staged accumulation. Basically, buying in chunks rather than all at once. My primary entry zone is $1.08 to $1.09, with a secondary entry if we drop to $1.05 to $1.06. I'd set a stop loss at $1.03 to protect downside. First target, $1.22. Final target based on that AI prediction, $1.60. The risk-reward here looks pretty compelling to me, especially with that 98% AI confidence for the 7-day move. And that's my analysis for today. Remember, I'm just looking at the data and AI signals, not giving professional advice. If this breakdown helped you see the bigger picture, hit that like button and subscribe for more market updates. Until next time, stay curious and trade safe.